Let's start with the networking function of Slack. If you click at the top right of the screen and Workspace directory, you will open the directory of Slack. You can select everyone to see the complete list of all members on the Slack workspace, or you can search by using the search box by name or by company name. Then you open their profile, and if you want to contact them, you can simply click on message, type your message in the message box. In your preferences, you can choose to receive notifications by email if people are sending you messages on Slack when you're away. You can also call people. It will open a Zoom window in Slack, phone call or video call. Channels are like groups on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. They are organized by topic or by project. You have open channels, which you can join freely, or there are private channels to which admins have to invite you. Writing a message on Slack is very similar to writing on Facebook or LinkedIn. You can choose to attach a file, so you select where your file is located, and you select your file and you attach it, and it will appear in the message. You can use also the menu at the top right to access the library of files which are shared on Slack. You can choose by type of file, format, or you can see all the files shared by one person or everyone if you want to see all files shared on Slack. In the message box, you can also post a link to an article online or to another web page. When hovering over a message, there's a menu appearing on the right. You can choose an action like copying the link of the message, mark and read, remind me, etc. You can also choose to create a thread, which is a conversation based on the message. And just like in Facebook, all replies to the message and all the discussion will appear in the thread in relation to the message. Finally, you can choose to address one person in particular in a public message. You just have to write @ before their name and then write your message. Now let's finish with your profile, since it's allow of the members to contact you on Slack. Click on the top left to open your menu, then Profile and Account. To open your profile, choose Edit Profile. Make sure to write the name of your company after your full name and after your display name. Then write your position in what I do and add a phone number for people to contact you. And please also upload your picture so that people will recognize you, and just save changes. You can also share with other members of Slack what is your status, if you're in a meeting, commuting, vacationing, working remotely. So thank you very much for updating your profile, and see you very soon on Slack.